Dr. Chavez and Ma'am Doris Naveros, school administrator. So they count up 3, 2, 1, go! That is now our research and publication office logo.
You have to be careful, especially in the utilization of artificial intelligence. It's not ChatGPT, Claude AI, ang dami ng mga AI ngayon that can be utilized when it comes to this particular writing of our research. Next slide. So I'll give you examples of AI that can be utilized. Killbot is a paraphrasing software. Okay? It can paraphrase the review of related literature. There is an accreditation on that. There are only few schools accredited by FREB. Okay? You can start with level 1 accreditation, then you can elevate into level 2 accreditation. For institutions, for academic institution, you don't need to go to level 3 because level 3 institutions are the one that will screen clinical trials. Yung merong mga new drugs or new vaccines that will be implemented to the people, it's not anymore, it's actually not usually done in the academe. So usually it's in the hospital. So for the academe, usually the accreditation is 1 and 2. In the case of, if you're dealing with animal subjects, especially for example, if there is a biology or pharmacy course, they are using white mice, rabbits, ganyan. That is IACUC. The accreditation is IACUC, Animal Care and Use Committee. But if the institution do not have a research about animal subjects, you don't need to form the IACUC. Nowadays also, if you